Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, we predicted this coin ZRX or 0x protocol a month back in one of the videos, and basically it really had a strong fundamentals. That is the reason we predicted it, as well as we specially mentioned that there is a probability that these guys are working onto the NFT thing. And once the NFT thing works, like, it will have a mass adoption, which is going to drive the price really crazy. Guess what happened? Like 2 or 3 days back, this token actually had this partnership with the Coinbase NFT. The Coinbase NFT has been launched. The Coinbase is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange protocol in the world, and they were about to launch this NFT platform as well. So this NFT platform will be powered by this 0x protocol because of the really great performance, the gas fees being pretty low and the transaction being pretty fast. Now, what happened immediately after that? Right after the partnership was announced, there was a huge surge in the price. Like, it went from 70 cents right up to $1.18. That is more than 50%. And then it settled down, closed the day at $1.10. And right now it is trading quite less, approximately 94 cents. Why? Because there was a correction in the price as well as the Bitcoin price dump. But this is just the beginning, because the mass adoption will be happening. Right now the total market capitalization is $1 billion. Now, having said that, what happened? Like, one of the things that we need to understand, this is the thing that I wanted to show. The trading volume right after the news, just imagine what is the trading volume. I mean, if I just move it to the left side, as you can see, this is a 1 hour chart. 1 hour, within like couple of hours, it was like $10 million. Here we have more than $20 million. I mean $30 million. So approximately more than $60 to $70 million was put into the protocol. Right now, at $1, the fully diluted market cap will become $1 billion. Now, why suddenly, even though like it's not a bull market going on, it's right now the bearish kind of a market, but this is the institutional money flowing in. Why? Because they understand what this partnership means, that there will be a mass adoption. It will be a mass adoption. As you can see right now, the ZRX token is at the right side of the screen, 93 cents. So again, the price is corrected because of the Bitcoin correction. But just imagine, Coinbase NFT will be used eventually by the masses. Every transaction will have the ZRX involved, not just its original DEX, which it was known for. Like, it has a separate transaction. Like, every week it has more than $1 billion of transaction, and it gets the fees, which I'll come to. Now, one surprising, I'm going to talk about, like, what is the future price prediction based on some of the logics, and it will be shocking for anyone. So ensure that you watch the video completely till the end. Like, over the 3 years span, what is the price prediction I'm going to reveal, as well as if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Now, we predicted this ZRX token, especially made this particular video when it was around 70 cents, and that was like I mean, after 70 cents it went really low. Like, it went up to 50 cents. Why? Because the big bear market, I mean the big Bitcoin dip was happening, 38,000, 39,000. But 60 to 70 cents it was around when we actually predicted it, and then there was a big dip, and then right now it was settling at 70 cents. Right after the news, it just pumped within a single day. That's what happens, and eventually the big money will be flowing in when the bull run comes, as well as the adoption is going to increase with that. Having said that, the transaction at the 0x protocol, I mean, let me just show you the original website. Apart from the NFT thing, apart from what is going to happen within the NFT marketplace, like the huge amount of involvement in the ZRX token, that is why, like, as you can see, the big run came yesterday, and then after that the correction, $1.18 it reached it. After that the correction was going on approximately $1, and as the Bitcoin dumped, right now it is at 93 cents. But again, like, it'll be coming back to $1 plus, and within the bull run it is going to get a lot better. So this is the website. Even before this NFT announcement, Coinbase partnership, it already had, like, if I try to open the analytics, and let me just show you what, and just, I mean, what is the transaction that has happened. Now, if I open the all time, as you can see, it is there from quite a long time. 2018, it used to trade a volume of like, this is a monthly volume of like $12 million, $88 million, $40 million, $50 million. It used to go on. And within, after this 2020, like, it became $100 million, $100 and $200 million. And then within September 2020, it became $1 billion as the bull run started, the September, October, November, as we know of, right? And then it peaked in May, $17 billion. Just imagine, starting from $17 million to 1000x of transaction. And right now it is averaging approximately like $8 to $10 billion. It is averaging even in this bearish trend. And this is completely different from the NFT marketplace that we are talking about. This is its own transaction. That's the purpose of the DEX that 0x protocol has. It has an advantage that it gets the best price from all the exchanges combined, and the liquidity coming from all the exchanges. That is why a lot of traders trade onto it. And the future is much brighter. When the next bull run is going to come, like the kind of increment that we have seen, it will be further bigger. And with the NFT adoption, it will be further bigger. And it is a money generation protocol. That means a lot of cryptocurrencies, they just have the name associated, the business associated with it, but they do not generate the revenue. The revenue itself is the coin. But here they are actually generating the revenue in the form of the fees. They are charging 0.01% fees for every transaction. That is why, like, eventually it is going to grow higher and higher. Now, having said that, let me just come on to the most exciting part that I was about to tell. What is the future price potential? Right now it is sitting at, like, as I've already told you, 93 cents. And probably, like, they can be further dip depending on the Bitcoin dip, and if not, it will come back to $1 and approximately. These are the protocols. Actually, they would not die out. Some of the cryptocurrencies, they may seem really good, but all those are like within the bull run. When the big bear market comes, all those crash down to almost zero and they never recover back. But these are the DEXs. They are from 2016, 17, 18. They have gone through the bear market. They did not die to zero. That's what we need to do first. We need to protect the capital, that it does not die out. So investing in these protocol, it is at $930 million market capitalization, a huge upside. What is the future price prediction? What is the future upside that we are able to see? Well, let me tell you, like, it will be quite shocking. At this rate, like, and within this particular bull run, the kind of growth that we see, the price peaked at $2.40. That is $2.4 billion. And then consistently we are having this much transaction with the NFT adoption, the mass adoption that is going to happen, and the growth rate. Eventually they will be having yearly basis like $1 trillion plus transaction, and with 0.01% of fees, they will be generating a significant amount of revenue. And like, if you see the Coinbase evaluation, the amount of revenue that they are generating, or the amount of profit that they are generating on a yearly basis, that is multiplied by 25 as the market capitalization. So when the transaction will be reaching to $1 trillion in the future, which is predicted, like based on the protocol and based on the adoption, I mean, the 3 years down the line, it can even reach the market capitalization of $100 billion. Yes, guys, you heard me right, $100 billion, which means that this price can go to $100. Just imagine, 3 years down the line, with a kind of a guarantee that this will not fade away, this will not go to zero, because it is having a business model which is working on a daily basis, generating the revenue, right? And within the next bull run, probably you get 10x, 15x or something, and within the next, like, when the Bitcoin price reaches $300,000 within the next 2-3 years, and the Ethereum price goes really high, this is actually, I mean, has the possibility of reaching $100 billion. That means 100xing your money. So this would be the long-term investment. I'm very bullish onto it, and that is why I wanted to cover and show it again to my audience. And again, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful. Comment down below for what do you think of this particular protocol. And again, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I would like to see your comments about this particular protocol, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see all of you guys in the next